Hey, what's up guys, I'm Nathan, you're watching Act for Tech, and in today's video we're gonna talk about the Google's Android Material Design 2.0. So these designs are basically seen in the latest Android Pie, but some of the APKs are available to your Android device, from Lollipop to Android Oreo, or it can be Pie. So there are three applications by Google's. First of all, Google's Phone, Google Contacts, and Google Messages. Starting with the Google Phone Dialer. So this is the new design for the Google Dialer. It is very light, and there are new images at the image contact, and at the bottom we get that new icon shapes. And we also see in that product sans Google Pixels font in this basic APK. So it gives a very great look, and no feature is added, but the design only changed. Now design is quite lighter, and Google's add this product which looks really cool. Going to setting, nothing changed, all the basic thing you can get on the old dialer. Link will be in the description box below. If you want to download, go there and download this APK. Talking about the icon is quite sky blue as compared to the Google Messages icon, which is not changed. You can see the difference, and the icon is bit changed as compared to previous. Okay, so the second application is another Google's application, which is Google Contact, placed on the second number. Google Contact, same as it is as dialer, same UI, lighter, plus the images and product sense and the icons. You can see that quite Android 9p, like empty, like only structure thing here, easily visible. And whenever you go to add to your contact, you can see that the images here, they are easily visible, how the icon change at the camera and thing. Okay, third application, talking about the icons of the Google Contact, it is also changed, now more rounder and the sky blue as compared to previous. Now third one is the Google Messages. No icon change, but the messages change a lot change in there. But before further ado, make sure you subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and never miss another update from Act for Tech. Opening the APK, you can see that there are various things. No change in icon, but a lot change in the APK. It is quite dark now, based upon your which one you want, dark or light. You can easily select this from your three-dot menu. The images of contact are the same as the previous one. Previous one application like Google Phone, not the previous messaging application. The images are quite light, and the product sans font is also available in all of the three applications. And here is a three-dot menu. Going to three-dot menu, you can easily see that there is enable dark mode. If you click on this, you get that white, and by default it is white, not the black, so you have to enable the black one. And if you click again on the black one, easily available, that say that enable dark mode, it get you to the dark mode. It's very good thing. This application is not like the other application. You just need to install, but for enabling the dark mode and the new UI feature, you just need to after installing the APK, just go to app info, and going to app info, just disable the force stop, enable the force stop, and clear the messaging app from your recent application, and just start the application, and your application is ready to use for dark mode and for light mode also. All the links are of APK mirror, so they will be provided in the link in the description box. Talking more on thing that Google Map, just update the Google Map, and you can see that it's also now providing you that product sense, and Android 9 feature like work and home, which is on your launcher, but we can see that on Google Maps now. So pretty much for today, guys. If you like the video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I'm Nathan, signing out.